Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on VT markets. And if you want to know how to trade on VT markets, I will show you in this quick video how you can trade. So the first thing what you're going to do is go to vtmarkets.com and then at that place right there, you want to create yourselves an account. So you go right here to the website and then click here on get started, create yourselves an account. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, then please check out the previous video that I created where I show you exactly how you can create a live trading account and a demo account. Then after that, we go right here to this place. And then what we're going to do is go to account. And then for now, let's do, for example, with my demo account, we can create right here a new demo account, select MetaTrader 5, standard, click here on US dollar, leverage 100 to 1, that is fine. And then we do submit right here. Oh, sorry, we forgot the balance, 100K, always the max, so we can trade a lot. Then we do submit. Now they send our account information to our email address. And now if you go here to account and click right here on live demo accounts, you will find here your accounts. Then after that, we click here on downloads, go to MetaTrader 5 and then select right here WebTrader. Then right now he will automatically log in to our WebTrader right here. And now we can start trading. So what we're going to do right here is we can change symbols by going to the symbol list right here, select something to enable. So let's say cryptocurrency, and we want, let's say, Ethereum to Euro. Then we click on it, then we do show, and then right now he will show exactly right here the chart. And then if we double click on it or throw it to the chart, you can see it on the chart. And if you double click on it, we can create ourselves a position. So right now, if we want to create ourselves a position, we fill in right here the volume that we want to buy. So 0.01 is for me fine. Select right here a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. And then you can click right here simply on buy by market. That's very simple. Then after that, you see your trade standing right here. And if you want to close this trade, you can click here on the cross right there. But be careful, if you click here on the cross, you will see the first time one-click trading. So we click on I accept and then do OK. And now if we click right here on the cross, he will close your trade immediately. So keep that in mind and please be careful for that. And then right now, yeah, you have a lot of options. You can zoom in, zoom out right here. You also have some painting tools right there. You can change right here the duration of the chart. And these are these are all the things that you need to know. So I will close this video from now. It cost you 3 minutes and hopefully you were those 3 minutes very, very valuable. And then from now, guys, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching and have a good one on exercising your trades. So for now, thanks for watching and ciao.